Which degrees make the most millionaires? I was curious about which degrees make the most millionaires. After doing some research, I found that there are a few surprising degrees out there that can land you a six-figure salary. Hello and welcome to my channel Top USA Entertainment. In this video, I'm going to share those degrees with you and also give you some tips on how to achieve them. 1. Management. A degree in management or a related field can provide a wealth of opportunities for ambitious individuals who are looking to reach their financial goals. With a management degree, you can gain the skills and knowledge necessary for leading teams and managing projects effectively. You'll learn how to manage budgets, identify potential problems, develop strategies, motivate others and implement changes. 2. Engineering. Engineering degrees are highly sought after by employers. With an engineering degree you'll develop strong problem-solving skills as well as gain deep insight into mathematics and physics. 3. Finance. Earning a degree in finance can be incredibly beneficial if your goal is achieving financial success. With this degree you will be equipped with the critical knowledge needed to become an investment banker, financial analyst or portfolio manager, all of which have the potential to generate substantial income with salaries reaching six figures annually or higher depending on experience level and position held. During undergraduate studies you will develop expertise in areas such as investment analysis, tax preparation, planning, risk management and budgeting, all of which are skills that are highly valued by employers in the financial sector. 4. Computer science. A degree in computer science can open the door to many lucrative job opportunities. This type of degree will give you the knowledge and skills needed to work as a software engineer, web developer or data scientist, some of the highest paying jobs available today. As a graduate with this degree, you'll have the ability to create applications, develop algorithms that can be used to solve problems, create websites and analyze data. 5. Law. Obtaining a law degree is both an academically rigorous and rewarding endeavor. With it, you will likely have the opportunity to become a lawyer or judge depending on your qualifications and experience. All of these skills can be beneficial when it comes to helping clients get favorable court decisions or take advantage of legal loopholes. Moreover, with a law degree you'll be able to provide highly sought-after professional insight into complex cases or situations, thereby making yourself indispensable in any legal profession. 6. Medicine. A degree in medicine is another great option. Doctors, surgeons, and other medical professionals make some of the highest salaries in the world. 7. MBA. The MBA degree is often seen as a ticket to success in the business world. Earning an MBA can lead to higher salaries, better job positions, and more opportunities for professional advancement. With an MBA, you will be able to develop specialized skill sets such as project management and data analysis, which are highly sought after by modern businesses. 8. Psychology. A degree in psychology can open up a range of job opportunities, including counseling and teaching. With a degree in psychology, you can gain a better understanding of the human mind and how to use it to your advantage. 9. Politics. Politics is becoming an increasingly popular choice for those wanting to make a difference in society. A degree in political science can help you understand the complexities of governing and how to become involved in policy-making processes. 10. Mathematics. A degree in mathematics can equip you with the skills you need to be successful in a variety of fields, such as finance, economics, and data science. With an aptitude for numbers and problem-solving skills, Those who have degrees in mathematics often find lucrative jobs fairly easily. I hope this has given you some ideas on degrees to pursue and tips on how to achieve them. Be sure to check out our other videos for more useful information.
Thanks for watching Top USA Entertainment's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.